YouTube, a warm body leader. Woo! Woo! Oh, it is. See past it. Look at that smoke. There we go. All right, everybody. Cam's really getting my car now. And here, YouTube will get the rest of the train at Frost. There it is. Bad Village, and I happen to catch one of the coaster test trains. Whoa! Going out of here. My first time seeing the coaster chargers actually running under their own power. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's Evil Cab Car 23. Whoa! Whoa!
Safety is a shared responsibility, so you are required.
Just get him while he's pulling in, Cam. Who knows if they're going to pull off the platform or not?
And platforms. If you forgot your bag.
Yep, it's 198 confirmed. Yeah, he's going to pull off the platform, regrettably. Woo! Here, oh, come on. Hey, stop. Stop. Actually very rare now that I think about it. Shoot, it's not the whale. Huh? It's not the whale. Whoa!
Santa Fe RS3s are better.
Very nice. There they go, backing up, YouTube. How's it going, YouTube? Me and Extreme Padre fan are down here in San Diego doing a tiny bit of rail fanning today. YouTube, I came back from 2 days in Tehachapi after a 3-day vacation. I did nothing but get pictures, so there's no video from that. But you know what? I had a good time and just need a little, getaway vacation. But YouTube here in San Diego, nothing like more Santa Fe power just sitting around here. 171 and 182 to your usual GB60.
Standard, yeah.
GB60s you would normally see on the south end of the yard. Santa Fe power is surviving, YouTube. It's hard to believe it's 2021 and these goodies are still surviving. YouTube, we're gonna head over to the ATSF depot and do a tiny bit of rail fanning over there. We decided just to come over there to get this. There they are. Yeah. All right, YouTube. Now over at the ATSF depot, we're just in time to see 777 roll out of here. They're leaving about maybe 5 minutes late here, but nothing out of the ordinary. Yeah. Whoa! And they are out of here. They're out of here.
I can't stand crews that behave in quiet zones.
What?
I can't stand crews that behave in quiet zones.
I know, right? We've had a few of them. I had a couple of them cooperate with me, coaster crews especially.
Well, yeah. Coaster seems to ignore this one more than Amtrak.
I miss San Diego being a non-QC. I'm not gonna lie. But with all the high rises down here these days, it's kind of no surprise. And 21, I forget what was shoving this. 2115 shoving this. Woo! Nice 777 YouTube, there goes North LA. YouTube, this is really unusual. 777 at whoa! Holy shit.
Give that quiet zone hell.
YouTube, 777 went into emergency for some unknown reason, but at the first time it was nice to get a coaster honking into the station for the first time in a while.
What number is this thing?
You can't be serious, it's 2308.
Bullshit.
2308. Did they fix the damn...
That sounded amazing.
For a bad cab car, that sounded good on the surf line for a long time.
Ooh, new rap. Okay.
Wide bands daily. Wow.
Oh, Please. Oh, they switched it. It was 3001 last with this.
Yeah, apparently they left 3001. I thought it was 20.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
2309 is there, no. And 5001.
Hey, the new 2101 basically.
This is obviously a train for the coaster, or for the Padres. But yeah, YouTube, as that comes in, for some unknown reason, 777 went into emergency. We don't know anything why. Anyway, there's that coaster. Woo! All right, YouTube, they are on. Here comes 5001. They are out of here. Woo! 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 They're out of here slowly. Just get on this side, YouTube. You're on trains, basically, part is what I'm famous for. Doing whoa every time. They're going pretty slow out of here. I think after the near misses they had, I can see why they're going slow out of here. Hey Jacob, is 699 returning as a service train for coaster?
Yeah, it's going to be another Sensible.
Okay.
But this crew no longer does 699.
Why is that, if I care to ask?
I guess they don't want to pay for overtime. I guess.
Okay. Okay. I was curious. I was curious about it.
Oh, yellow over yellow now.
Yeah.
So they just bring a fresh new set out of the yard and then they just sit here until it's time.
Too bad 2308 actually sounded good. I was shocked. What are the odds of that cab car sounding good?
I'm trying to tell you guys for like a year and a half or something.
They must have changed the horn off it.
Why was that game?
Don't ask. Woo! Apparently 777 nearly hit somebody, YouTube, and I think this coaster's going cautiously forward for the same reason. Not that they probably nearly missed anybody, but anyway, YouTube, good coaster. There it goes northbound. All right, YouTube, the train we wanted to see. Here comes 768 pulling into the Santa Fe Depot.
Party's on the back of this thing.
Definitely. We'll get some shots of it, Cam, and then we'll head back over to Palm Street briefly
I
to
want to see if they're going to do anything with the, what's it?
the CK holiday.
number.
Yeah. Let's see here.
I could go for another California car on this thing.
I think this one has, I think it might have it, I'm not sure.
It's got a sights here, though.
I remember it being with the sights here. I think it was with the sights here, I forget off the top of my head.
Yeah, Dom told me.
Correction, it's not on this train. Okay. I always kept thinking the Sightseer Lounge and the Amtrak Calcar was on the same train. I was wrong. Whoa!
It looked better with 459 than this side.
You're telling me, Kim. For 2111, yeah. Woo! Woo! I just love the Sightseer Lounges. These are always... Look at all the people packed on the train. It should, yeah. Yeah, 6905, okay. You're good.
If it switched in LA, I was going to...
Relax, it's 05, Kim. Jesus. And YouTube, the main reason is cab car 6905 on this train. Oh, Kim, you've been wanting to get this junk for quite a while. There he is. And there it is, YouTube. We're going to head up to Palm Street. All right, YouTube, from the ATSF Depot, me and Extreme Padre Fan are here at Palm Street. We're going to get a little clip of a nice JAL Dreamliner, YouTube, taking off here. We haven't filmed this in a long time, yep. Just like how our old plane spotting videos down here used to be. Very nice. And they are out of here. Nice. YouTube, I don't remember the last time we actually shot something going out of here in San Diego. And thanks to a lot of the palm trees being cut down on the right side of the area here, you can actually watch it lift off here. Yep, lift off. Great plane, YouTube. There goes out of San. Okay. All right, YouTube. 579 rolling through. Whoa! They did not get the siren scale on out. By YouTube, it's 579 departs. What the heck? I might as well film it. We have a bolt outbounds. We have a Delta taking off right here. 767.
Yep. And Florida 1 right behind it.
Oh yeah, there is the Florida one.
Told you.
I noticed that, Cam. I'm just speed, so.
Oh, there's the stupid trolley.
Okay. Trolleys. Might as well film everything here while we're at it. 6905 sounded as good as ever, Cam.
Yeah, she's still there. But the surprise of the day is 2308.
Yeah. Good timing on this, actually. This actually got to go. There it is. No problem. And lift off. There he goes, YouTube. Nothing like 579 in that. That was pretty cool. All right, YouTube. One more quick video before me and Extreme Padre Fan call it a day. We got Florida 1 Southwest taking off. We haven't just to spot this. This will be our final video today. There he is. If they're taking off. YouTube in a surprising move. I don't think they are taking off. Anyway, YouTube, just wanted to show we got Florida 1. I'm not sure why they're not taking off. Must have an unruly passenger or something if I had to guess. Anyway, YouTube, I hope you enjoy our day here from San Diego plane spotting and rail fanning.